Good morning dear students and parents. Welcome back to UKG English language class. Today we are going to learn names of birds along with their pictures. Have you seen birds, children? Yes, you can see birds flying around in the sky, sitting on branches, on walls and on your rooftops. Birds have wings which help them to fly. They have a beak, they eat grains and they chirp all day long. So come, let's start. The first picture, can you name this picture, children? Yes, very good. It is a hen, H-E-N, hen. Next picture, it is a duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Next, swan, S-W-A-N, swan. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, it is an owl, O-W-L, owl. And the next picture is of a sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Okay, next picture now. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, it is a peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Next picture now. It is a pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Next now. It is a dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, it is a crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Okay, next picture now. Can you name this? Yes, it is a goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Next picture now. What? Can you name this picture? Yes, it is a peahen, P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen. Next picture now. Can you name this picture? Yes, parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And the last picture now. It is an eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Children, all these birds' names are in your spelling list. You need to memorize it from your list. Moving on to the next topic now. Names of insects. What are insects, children? Insects are tiny creatures. They have 6 legs. We must keep our homes and surroundings clean to avoid insects. Insects carry germs which make us sick. So come, let's learn the names of these insects along with their pictures. The first picture, can you name this picture, children? Yes, it is an ant, A-N-T, ant. Next picture, you see there is a bee here. It is sucking nectar from this flower because it is going to make some honey for us. And the spelling is B-E-E, bee. Next picture. This is a butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful. They have colorful wings. And the spelling is B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Next picture. This is a fly. We also call it housefly. And the spelling is F-L-Y, fly. The next picture. You can see this insect. It is green in color. And you will find it among the grass. So it's called grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper. Next picture. Can you name this picture, children? Yes, it is a cockroach. You will find cockroaches in very dirty places. And the spelling is C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. Next picture, dragonfly. you'll see dragonflies flying around in your garden. And the spelling is D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y, dragonfly. Next picture. This is a picture of a bug. We also call it bed bug. And the spelling is B-U-G, bug. Next picture. Cricket. And the spelling is C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Children, this cricket makes a loud sound during the night. Next picture. This is a mosquito. What are mosquitoes, children? Don't these mosquitoes bite you all at night? Yes. And the spelling is M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Children, names of these insects are in your spelling list. You need to memorize them from there. The next topic now is jumbled words. Children, all these words are from your spelling list. You need to memorize these words to do jumbled words correctly. Each word is in a jumbled form. You need to rearrange the letters to write the correct word. The first word. As you can see, a letter is underlined. It means this word starts with the underlined letter. So which letter is underlined, children? F. So this word begins with an F. And the word is flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies. Next word. P. You can see P is underlined. So this word begins with P. And the word is pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Next word. You can see R is underlined. That means this word begins with R. R-A-D-I-O. Radio. Next word now. You can see S is underlined. That means this word begins with S. And the word is stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S. Stairs. And the last word. Mosquito. You can see M is underlined. So you begin with M. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. The next topic is matching. Children, we have done matching earlier. We will do it once more. You need to match the words from the first column with the words in the second column. So come, let's start. First line, A monkey. And now you have to search for the correct word to match with monkey. A monkey has 6 legs? No. A monkey is big? No. A monkey chatters? Yes. So you will write A. Next line, B, bug. 6 legs? No. Is big? No. Chatters? No. Nail? No. Bed? Yes, because bugs are found in a bed. So we will write B. C, an insect, has 6 legs. So this matches with the first line. So you will write C. An insect has 6 legs. My classroom is big. So you will write D. And the last word, tail. Tail matches with nail because both these words are rhyming words. So you will write E. Children, I am sure you have understood how to do jumbled words and matching. You need to practice these topics at home. The worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on your school website. Parents, please help your children to do their work properly. Thank you.